2022 Ford EcoSport trim levels, Titanium, SES, Active. The redesign of the 2022 Ford EcoSport is not a priority for the US company. On the other hand, the new model for the European market, Puma, is being mentioned as a possible replacement for the North American crossover. The subcompact segment is a good starter for the newbies. However, the lack of power and small size are not going to meet expectations from more experienced drivers. Plus, there are safety issues. All in all, the 2022 Ford EcoSport will be fun to drive. The new Active version adds another dimension to the lineup. The crossover is one of the rare models that will offer two engine configurations, an inline 3 and a 4-cylinder unit. Then, you can select FWD or AWD. Plus, 5 trim levels and packages are available for the buyer's choice. Finally, for 2022, we expect updates of the color palette. Do not be afraid the company is going to mess something up, since more than enough paint jobs are already available. Why buy 2022 Ford EcoSport? The crossover is small and efficient. With a starting price of around $20,000, it is a real budget saver. Still, the small vehicle is not going to return impressive numbers in the city ride. But, it is better than the mileage you get from larger models. With its size and agility, parking in tight lots won't be a problem. On the other hand, the 2022 Ford EcoSport will lack space inside the cabin. There are 5 seats, but we don't recommend the maximum usage. Passengers at the back won't feel comfortable. Also, if you frequently go out for a weekend, this is not the right vehicle for long family trips. Besides the tight room for passengers, the crossover is not going to bring too much of cargo space as well. Also, the acceleration and maximum speed are not going to meet the demands of drivers looking for punchy results. Engines and specs. Ford is in the big electrification program. However, the company is not planning to add a hybrid unit for the subcompact crossover. Nevertheless, the 2022 Ford EcoSport will be one of the rare models in this segment that will offer its buyers a choice. A 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine is producing 123 HP and 125 lb-ft of torque. The gas mileage is 27/29 mpg and the power goes through a 6-speed auto gearbox. Buyers can also select the all-wheel drive, and we assume the company will also revisit the transmission in the foreseeable future. A 4-cylinder engine increases the performance with 165 horsepower and 150 lb-ft of twist. The same transmission case is sending power to the front or both axles. The gas mileage is not suffering on the highway, but a 4-cylinder unit will be thirstier in urban areas. 23 mpg is the call for a potential hybrid upgrade. But, it seems not being in plans, with all-electric Mach-E, Explorer Hybrid, and Lincoln Aviator PHEV already hit the market. 2022 Ford EcoSport packages. Like every Ford vehicle, the EcoSport is going to stand out with the standard equipment. The S package is the base one and comes with 16-inch wheels as the notable exterior details. Inside, the safety package includes a blind spot monitoring system and automatic headlights. Bluetooth and Android/Apple connectivity services are also going to be standard. The SE model is going to add some cool options. For example, there are fog lights and a de-icer wiper system. More exterior details will make this version recognizable. Designers also included automatic climate control and keyless entry. An 8-inch display is the center of the infotainment system that uses SYNC3 apps. You can upgrade the SE model with the convenience package. The 2022 Ford EcoSport SES is the light R/ST version of the subcompact crossover. A 4-cylinder engine and sportier details are making this model so special. 19-inch wheels, spoilers, unique suspension tuning, contrasting details, and leather seats are what you get for an $8,000 investment over the base S trim. While the SES is the sports version, the Titanium is focused on luxury. Premium leather, piano audio, heated steering wheel and seats are just some of the parts that will make this model so unique. Outside, you will spot 17-inch alloy wheels, chrome accents around the bumper and door handles. 2022 Ford EcoSport prices. The 2022 Ford EcoSport will remain one of the most affordable crossovers in the US market. With the attractive price tag, it made to our list of crossovers you can buy for less than $20,000. However, upgrades could be costly, and the heavily loaded versions will add more than $10,000 for AWD, larger engine, and premium equipment. The SE model is the mid-range option and brings the best value. Still, you will need a $3,500 investment over the entry-level version. Choosing between sporty SES and luxury titanium is easier when it comes to the price since both models are starting around $27,000.